Mr. Ackley, can we talk to you for a quick second?
Sure.
Alright, we have this great idea for a video that we want to show you.
Yeah, maybe you can make it like a play or something for next year.
Okay.
It's up to you.
See, what are the two things that people like most?
Lasers and cats.
Alright, so here we go. What's going on?
Well, I don't know. We need to find out what's going on.
Who can we ask that's a reliable source of information?
Mr. Douglas! Mr. Douglas! Mr. Douglas, what's wrong with the fire alarm?
Well, the alarm is working fine, but I have a presentation just for this instance. The Catalyst, a war developed into a full-fledged nuclear opportunity where the cats in a nearby animal shelter started showing weird side effects. Those side effects? Lasers that shoot out of their mouths. What will happen in a world of laser cats? Dr. Scientist now holds 33.33% of all of the Earth's laser cats, and he intends to use them collectively to blow through the Earth's core, causing the end of the world.
So what you're saying is we need to defeat Dr. Scientist. You have something for us?
Wait, I have something for you. Oh, be careful. Here.
Sweet laser cats! Alright! This is a really new model, too. Ready, Freddy?
My name's Admiral Spaceship. But yeah, let's do this. It's locked!
No, it's not. Let's go.
Nice. Yeah. It's Dr. Scientist's lair.
Let's go, man.
Excellent work, Nitro, Admiral Starship. But...
What you say? That you only meant
Take my laser cats.
well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best.
So, what'd you think about it?
Are you serious? No.
Thanks for your time.